So, mauni guys, oh, the famous Araneta Coliseum here in SRP. So this is the seaside and that is the Araneta. As an engineer, naka-identify ko na naay buhaton nga footbridge. So as you can see, naay false work dira nga gibutang para temporarily itukod sa beams para kini nga bridge moabot siya dire sa seaside, connecting to this foundation. So eventually, after the completion of this, accessible na ang Araneta from SMC side. So connected na sila, no? So very nice. Ako lang ipakita sa inyo guys kung unsa ang upcoming structure dire. It's a footbridge connecting Araneta Coliseum. Look at that. So they are working on it. Dere. Biliba sa scaffolding. So walay tipid-tipid. Kana mao ni akong gingon nga false work. We call that false work in construction. No? Eventually mawala na siya once ma-connect na ang bridge. So that's it. That's just another construction ideas nga ko i-share sa inyo ha. Alright, so let's go!